Good morning, guys. It's really early. It's about 7 a.m. I got up like at 6:30 and I'm about to start working. I don't want to show myself on camera. I'm sick. I look sick. I look disgusting, actually. But I still have to work. There's no mail on Monday. And tomorrow is Saturday, which usually I work some Saturdays, but I don't want to work tomorrow. I have one order that goes out tomorrow, and then I have like a lot that go out next week. It did pick back up, but I want to try and get some done today, so I don't have to feel so pressured next week. And also, I have an open case against me on Etsy. Yep. So I'm just gonna do a voiceover, let you guys know what happened while I work, and yeah, I don't know, I'll let you guys know. But so right here we're gonna do sweatshirts, cow, of course, like always, and dino outfits. Those are like the two that have been selling the most on Etsy. Cow always, like, it's been like for the past year, cows have been selling like crazy. And the dino ones, it used to be watermelon, but I don't know, now there's a craze over dinosaurs, I guess. So okay, I'll set you guys up on the tripod. All right, guys, if you hear background noise, I'm sorry. We have people, well, my husband has people over, and I don't know, they're having too much fun. But yes, about the case that I have on Etsy right now. So this customer ordered an outfit and she paid for rush. So I do charge $25 more if they need it faster. Usually my turnaround is 2 weeks, but I do offer rush, and if they purchase rush, it ships in 4 days. So I do 4 days because you never know. Something may happen where you maybe don't have a size and you need to order right away, or you may not have a color or ribbon. I don't know, something may happen, So I give myself 4 days, but usually, for example, this customer that ordered, she ordered on the 21st and I shipped on the 23rd. So I shipped her order in 2 days. Before I shipped and I made her order, I did send her a picture of what the shirt would look like because her baby's name had the letter Z in it. So you know how the C as in zebra looks different in cursive, and I've gotten customers complain about the letter C in the past. So I sent her a picture if she was okay with the way that it looked. So I never got a reply, and since the days went, like one day went by and then the other day went by when I wanted to embroider the shirt, she still didn't reply. So I sent her another message to letting her know I'm gonna go ahead and do it the way that I showed her, and I was gonna ship it that day because she did pay for rush, so I needed to rush this. So I completed her order. I packaged and I shipped it this very same day. So she received it pretty quick. She received it on the 26th. So I shipped the 23rd and she received it the 26th. Or at least that's what the tracking says. So the tracking says delivered December 26th, and I received a message from her December 27 telling me she did not receive anything and she wanted me to send her a replacement, which I thought was very weird for her to right off the bat be like, I didn't receive it, send me another one. Like, what do you mean? You're not even investigating yet. I messaged her back. Did you contact the post office? Did you she also lives in an apartment complex, so I don't know how the mail is delivered in apartments. So I asked her, I'm like, have you called the post office? Have you gone to the post office? Like, they're the ones that delivered. They're the ones that should know where they put your package. And the delivery on the USPS on the tracking, it says that it was delivered to an individual. So I don't know. So she got back to me and she told me no. She is not going to call the post office and that she didn't have time to go to the post office and find out what happened. So she was demanding me to just send her a new one. I told her, yeah, I can make you another one, but you're going to have to place the order again. So she got back to me and told me, so you're telling me I have to pay for it again? I already paid. I didn't get it. Like, blah, blah, blah. Here we, you know, I didn't want to go back and forth with her. So I told her, yes, if I have to redo it all over again, then I am, like, I did my part. And another thing that she told me, she was like, I didn't even receive a notification that it had been shipped out. If I would have known, I would have been on the lookout and would have been here waiting for it. How is that my fault? How is that my fault? You ordered something, you are given a tracking number, and I even showed her, like, you did get an email, like, Etsy sends out an email when your order is shipped. But no, she wasn't having it. She was like, okay, thank you. And then after that, I seen that the very after the conversation, she went and opened the case. So I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know if Etsy's going to side with me or side with her. The tracking says it was delivered to a person. I cannot help. I can't. There's so many things that I want to tell my customer, but it's pointless. I cannot travel with your package to deliver it to your hands, you know? So I am just very curious and interested to see what Etsy is going to do. If they're going to refund her, if they're gonna, I don't know. I've never gone through this. I don't know if Etsy reaches out to me or what. I don't know. So far, I haven't. I just know that the case is open. I don't know if I'm supposed to do anything, but I'm not refunding her. So if the free refund happens, it's gonna be from Etsy's side of things, and I don't know. I'll keep you guys posted. See what happens out of this. But yeah, my first case on Etsy. And also, I wanted to come back with the good news that my dad's third PET scan came back clean, and we're doing no more chemotherapy. So that's great news. Going into the new year with good news, and very blessed and happy. And thank you for everyone that keeps asking and messaging me. But yeah, so that is my story. That is my short video. This tutu I'm making right now is actually the same tutu that I shipped to the customer that opened the case. She ordered this exact same tutu. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I'll leave you with the rest of the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Remember, links to shirts and machines and everything is down in the description. Also, the candle thread company, the embroidery thread I purchased, also in the description if you care to check it out. And that's it for this video. See you guys in the next one. Bye.
がとう。